Good morning, everybody, and this is your Dow Jones day trade setups for today. So, still being a bit volatile. We did start recovering a bit, and then as the US markets opened, very shortly after open, actual fact, we started rolling over and continuing the slide to the downside. Now, we've had moving averages, crossovers on the 8-hour. There is a lot of structure to the left. If I just minimize that, you'll see what I'm talking about. There's a lot of structure to the left. So I do suspect if we just put a level right here where I just want to put it below price, you'll see what I mean. So if I look to the left, look at all the interaction with this level. So let's just get back to Zoom. And that pretty much is 34,572. If we start moving down, you'll see what could be a double bottom forming on the 3-hour. We do have the oscillators grouped to downside quite nicely. The big thing is the close of yesterday, because the close of yesterday was obviously the last day of the month. So that is going to be a pretty big magnet. And that close is right there. You can see that's the last bar. This is the first bar of the evening. So that's the last bar there. So what we're looking at is 34,554 as the monthly close. So typically what happens is you get a little bit of a bounce up, and then we'll start flirting with this level, trying to break down it. And the bulls will try and hold this. They'll try and hold this because it is a monthly level. So it's quite a big bullseye, should I say. So yeah, at the moment, there's no real structure here. We did get the opportunity for a short if you were so inclined. I just want to put the two levels in. So there's the previous swing lows. There's the previous swing low again. And you can see we broke through it. We came back. So if you were looking long, that would have been your target for the long, would have been this area. And then we got the rejection here. So if we just come down to the 15-minute, you'll more than likely see the structure in the zone. A bit messy, but you can see the sellers, three tails up here, sellers coming in, and then all of a sudden a big meltdown again. Okay, so this is all noise driven. So this first little fall here was based on the CEO of a pharmaceutical company that had something to say. And this, I don't know, it was just the market just reacting to noise again. So this is all noise driven. It is not structural. It's not based on economies. It's not based on anything else except noise. So you need to be careful. As I said yesterday, it's going to be volatile, and I suspect a similar pattern today. So this is kind of the view. If we do start getting below this 34,554, and I would actually take it a little bit further, I would look for the low of the month, which would be here, 34,448. So if we just break through, come back and retest and start rolling, then I suspect we're in for a little bit more of a slide. But just be wary, because this is looking very confusing. And when it starts looking like this, you can get trapped quite easily if you're looking for a short up here, and then all of a sudden the bulls decide, okay, that's enough. There's enough value here, and we start buying. So that's the one thing to bear in mind. And futures market at the moment is up quite substantially. Okay, anyway, that's it for me. Caution is the order of the day. Just watch these zones that we've got. I think those are going to be the breakouts we're going to need for either a continuation down or a move to the upside. I hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow morning. Cheers for now.